Hey everybody, it's iWantToBeRetro. Today we're going to take a look at installing AdGuard Home, a network-wide ad blocker on the Raspberry Pi. We'll start by using the wget command to download the latest release of AdGuard Home from GitHub. Then we'll extract the downloaded tar.gz file. We'll change directory into the AdGuard Home folder, then run sudo AdGuardHome-s install to install AdGuard Home as a service. Open a web browser and navigate to the DNS or IP address of the host :3000. On the welcome screen, click the Get Started button. Select the network device to use for the admin interface as well as the DNS server, then click Next. Create an admin user account by entering a username and entering and confirming a password, then click Next. Click Next again, then click the Open Dashboard button. Log in with the username and password you created earlier. Welcome to the AdGuard Home admin dashboard. The best way to set this up for network-wide ad blocking is to set the DNS options in your DHCP server on your router. That process will vary based on the make and model of your router. In this tutorial, I'll edit my resolve.conf file and add a new name server pointed at the AdGuard Home IP address. Then I'll restart the networking service to make sure the new name server is in effect. Once the DNS settings have been changed and applied, I'll open the web browser and navigate to some ad-heavy websites. Back in the AdGuard Home admin dashboard, we can click the Refresh Statistics button to watch as ads are being blocked.